Hey guys, I'm showing you this security wireless camera, and you can see this is a smart Wi-Fi camera. This all the features are on the box that I will show you a bit later on. So let's do the unboxing first and see what's there. So you can see the manual. This is just for the pinhole thing. This is the manual just to how to start, what app and everything, and its use. I can see app. This is the LAN cable, power adapter. So it can be connected through LAN as well as through Wi-Fi. And this one is the camera. This is like the rotating camera that it will rotate. Some attachments, and here it goes. So you can see that this camera is the rotatable camera that can rotate and then it can fix on different angle, two Wi-Fi antennas, and this is the power and the LAN cable adapter. So you can also use the screws to put it in. So this is the LAN and the power adapter. So LAN will go here in this one. So you can do a wired connection or you can use the Wi-Fi connection. So this will angle like this so that it will rotate easily with the spotlight and everything. This is to add the micro SD card and to the reset button. This is the outdoor waterproof camera, and you can add in this power adapter like the power switch. This antenna will goes like this, and then you can adjust it on the wall. I'm setting up this app now. You can see I can see app, and so I'm registering and entering everything. So registering on this as an account. Adding the camera. So choose the Wi-Fi camera and location and everything, and you can choose which area it have. So now you can actually add this camera through the barcode. It will show up, and once the camera is added, you can use all the features and the camera will start working. So once you have the registration and the add thing, this barcode will come up, and you have to show this barcode in front of the camera so that it will get it registered.